If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, or journal maker who loves working with textured, one-of-a-kind fabrics, you're in the right place. I'm Vina, curator at Anitavee Textile Designs, where every fabric tells a story, and every bundle is hand-selected to spark your next creative piece. Each week, I release a brand new play bundle every Tuesday and a sneak peek every Thursday so you can plan ahead. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, our first piece, this piece is a nutmeg color piece of home decor fabric. Really nice, so easy flow there, not heavy at all. The texture is really nice too. Look at that texture. It's a really nice texture. Get that angle. Okay, that's the back. This is how thick it is. So see, it's pretty thin. Okay. Close up of that texture. There. Okay, that's our first piece, and it's a nutmeg color. Okay, our next piece has hues of nutmeg and maybe cream, deep cream colors. Creamish tan colors. Okay. This is a lightweight piece, as you can see. That's the back. So, okay. It's actually a backing because the front is a woven, so it's actually a backing on there that's holding it together. Give you a close-up. Okay. You see the variation in color there. So between nutmeg and creamy type beige colors maybe. Okay. Okay, our next piece is a coarsely woven piece, and we can see the texture of that. Give a close-up. It reminds me of raw silk, but I believe this is a synthetic. There's a close-up of it, see? See some variation in the weaves. Okay. It is a lined piece. Oh no, it's woven, but it's, okay. Yeah, that's the back of it. Yeah, it is lining. Okay. This is how thick it is. Give you the flow. This is an upholstery piece. Let's put a piece of let's put a needle through it. Okay, this is a size 8 embroidery needle, and I'm using 3 strands of embroidery floss. Okay, that was easy. Okay, so there's not going to be any problem to sew. Okay, that's kind of a cream color. All right. The next piece, this is 100% silk. The flow of it, very lightweight. Now this color is kind of a beige color. It's a color that falls right between the cream and the nutmeg. So it falls, the coloring is right in between those two. Close up. Okay, see the typical silk weave. Front and back the same. Frays nicely if you're wanting to the frayed edges. If you're into that, this will work. Okay, very lightweight. And our next piece, our last piece, this is a nutmeg color faux leather. There's the texture, there's good color, good angle of that. Okay, let's get some movement on it. Okay, which is what you would expect with faux leather. It's not going to be as flowy as fabric, but still pretty soft for leather. That's the back, the backing. This is the thickness. And let's do the needle test. I just put lotion on my hands. I should not have done that. Okay, so it goes through. It goes through a lot easier without lotion on your hands, I'm sure. So keep in mind with leather, see those holes? They're permanent, so make sure you're sure when you put that needle through, okay? So let's line them up. Okay, it's a nice looking bunch there. And this one is our Nutmeg Cream Serenity. That's Nutmeg Cream Serenity. Each play bundle is a small burst of inspiration. If you want larger cuts or companion fabrics, explore my foundation and curation bundles linked below. Join my VIP email list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order, early access to new releases, and private sales not offered to the public. Thanks for watching this week's Play Bundle. Subscribe for unique fabrics for mixed media, slow stitching, and fabric collage. See you Thursday for the sneak peek.